Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show step-by-step process what you should do when your devices and printers will not load in Windows 11, and this is the fix for that problem. If this video will be helpful guys, just write down below in comments that this video helped you, so when the other people will come here they will know that it's actually worth it to watch this video. Now first thing first, go on the bottom on a search, and then in the type of search write services. Now, when you're going to be in services, you want to find one thing which is going to be Bluetooth audio gateway service. So let's say I'm going to scroll down below, double click on it, and then you're going to have like stop, start, and this is something you need to do. Then also go, okay, we got this, go Bluetooth support service. Again, if you don't have it on running, click start, or try to click stop and start. But Bluetooth user support service, again, start, and press OK. And this is pretty much it how we do it. And this is the way how we can fix it. So have all, if it's running, click stop and start again, and if it's not running, click just start on these three things. Have a great day and goodbye guys. See ya.